3D printing is the process by which three-dimensional models are produced on computer-aided design programs which drive the additive manufacturing system. The physical end products are produced in plastics, metals, and adhesive materials constructed in individual layers. 3D printing allows one to design intricate products, therefore granting the designer to have a physical prototype of their desired product or complex idea within a short period of time. An extensive variety of designs can be printed, therefore taking limits off creativity. The team of industrial engineers found 5 everyday problems and together came up with solutions to solve each one. Firstly, it is a monotonous task to continually organize charging cables. It takes time and creates frustration. The team designed a simple cable winder that is a plastic object which is easily assembled. Secondly, as students themselves, the team finds that air fryers are a useful tool to cook with, as it uses less electricity than a traditional oven, is small and compact. However, cleaning the air fryer is a tedious task. Therefore, the team designed a thin, ductile object made from silicone to replace single-use liners in an air fryer that is easily cleaned. Thirdly, small, compact hair combs have become a popular tool. However, the smooth exterior surface easily slips out of the hand. This creates frustration for the user. The team designed a smooth, rigid plastic cap to put over slippery hairbrushes to minimize dropping your brush and battling with holding it securely. Fourthly, opening and closing pill containers every day is a tedious task. The team designed a contraption aimed at the elderly to help sort out pills. Lastly, clothes hangers are a difficult item to pack in a bag. Those who travel and need a hanger at the destination, for example to hang a blazer or dress for a formal event, face this problem. The team designed a hanger that comes in 3 sections and can be assembled when needed. This produces a lightweight, easily transported hanger made from plastic. A decision matrix is a decision-making tool that compares and evaluates alternative solutions for a design or product. It is constructed with requirements and criteria on one axis and the different solutions on the other. One of the most important factors is the awareness of the design requirements and criteria, and with that in mind, a decision matrix was constructed. Knowing that the product should first and foremost be 3D printable, functional, cost-effective, novel, and somewhat appealing, we listed these factors as our requirements. Following this, we allocated a weighting of importance to each requirement. 5 products were evaluated and compared to each criterion separately. After the comparison study, the winning product was the foldable hanger. For the production of our hanger, it has been decided that injection molding would be the most appropriate manufacturing process, and here's why. Injection molding has the ability to create complex parts accurately, which is necessary to make sure parts fit into each other. In order to produce our hanger parts, casts for each part are required for the injection molding process. These casts are designed on CAD and created by CNC machining, as the metal molds require a high degree of accuracy. After the 3 molds are retrieved from the CNC machine and placed in their respective injection molding mold cavities, production can begin. As shown in the process chain, the production process in the standard injection molding machine for our parts will follow the following procedure. Plastic pellets placed in the hopper move through the machine's heated barrel. From the machine's nozzle, liquid plastic exits and enters the 3 individual mold cavities. The cavities are then rapidly cooled via water cooling, and the mold is then opened to release finished parts, which are then ready for inspection. After secondary processing, where parts are refined and branded once they pass inspection tests, they are ready to undergo packaging. In packaging, the final 3 parts will be placed together in a biodegradable paper bag, which is placed in a reusable material bag that is the final product for customers to receive. Final products are placed in batches of 30 into boxes to be shipped to wholesalers. The product is designed for convenience and can thus be put together and folded back up without trouble. The 3 parts are joined with a pin and socket linkage that pops in and out effortlessly. The support structure is sturdy and would be able to hang any type of clothing. It is very compact, so it is perfect to leave in your car's glove compartment to use whenever necessary. This is the perfect product for anyone on the go.